Hi, in front of me is Realme 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down, go into convenience tools and tap on navigation buttons. Over here you need to tap on the switcher next to pull down to enter one-handed mode, and then follow the instructions. Pull down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of the screen, you can tap on this icon over here. And if you want to go back, tap at the icon at the top left corner of your shrink screen. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, just click on the switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!